Let's take a look at this example. Again, this is nothing else, just the difference of two perfect squares. You can rewrite this equation as 5 squared minus x squared is equal 0. And you can rewrite the left side as 5 minus x, and I have 5 plus x. Again, in order to balance this equation, the left side has to be equal to the right side. And because right side is equal to 0, one of these factors of this product must be 0 or both. So simply write 5 minus x is equal to 0 or 5 plus x is equal to 0. In order to find value of x, I'm going to move this negative x to right side, and I'm going to have 5 equals x. So I can say x is equal 5. This is my first answer. And if I want to find the second one, I have to move this 5 to the right side, and I have x equals negative 5. In order to verify answers, you're supposed to replace this x by 5 and later on by negative 5. Copy down the original equation. We have 25 minus x squared is equal 0. So I have 25 minus 5 to the second power is equal to 0. 25 minus 25 is equal 0. So I have 0 is equal 0. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side. This is correct answer. Let's check this one. We have 25 minus x squared is equal to 0. This is my original equation. And we have 25 minus negative 5 to the second power is equal to 0. 25 minus negative 5 to the second power is 25 equals 0. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. 0 is equal 0. Again, left side is equal to the right side. This is also correct answer. So I can say that these two values of x, 5 and negative 5, are correct solutions to my problem.